I would definitely recommend Elluminate to anybody interested in looking at data warehouses, workbenches, clinical data repositories. Illuminate's a one-stop shop. There are so many useful features within Illuminate that make it easy to use, it's fun to use. I'm in there every day, and that's the highlight of my job, going in every day using the mapper to map our STTM data sets, map our exception listings for our data reviewers. So I would definitely recommend Illuminate to anyone who's looking for a data repository to do data mapping or to do clinical data review.
At our organization, we've begun using Illuminate for really the purposes of the Data Central application. And what that has really done is allowed our medical directors to monitor the patients on an ongoing basis with live data that doesn't only come from the EDC, also comes from other sources such as lab reports, central labs. So it's really allowed them to have a grasp on what is happening with our patients live on an ongoing basis.
The biggest value that we see is being able to pull data into a central location. So right now at BMS, we have data that comes in from various locations. So we look at Illuminate to be the product that's going to bring all that data into one place and give us a central repository for that. It's also going to solve a couple problems that we're currently having with some of that data, and it's going to help us with some of our other systems, basically free up the space for those systems to work more effectively.
I think we kind of knew of all the tools out there from what we've heard and did a little bit of research that it was kind of the most complete tool that can give you the most right out of the box. I would highly recommend it to anybody in my position.
I would definitely recommend Illuminate, and I have in the past. It's definitely a great tool that you guys are constantly evolving, so I really can't wait to see what you guys are going to do in the future.
I think I would absolutely recommend Illuminate. What it's doing is really filling that gap that everyone has been trying to fill from having all of these multiple data sources that, although are necessary for the clinical trials, they tend to have those issues where they're not speaking to each other. Illuminate is doing that for us.